morning and welcome to Arty Tots online and in the garden. Hope you're well. This morning we're going to be playing and making ladybirds with milk bottle tops, and Lucy's going to show you how to make one, and then we're going to have a song at the end. Nice to see you. Over to Lucy.
Well, we've been super busy, me and my little helper, out in the garden doing some garden art. We've been making some ladybirds, and with a big pebble or a big stone, and we've been decorating potatoes. If you haven't got a stone, have a look for a stone on your walk. And we asked you to collect these, and look what we've turned them into. Let me show you. We've got a red one, a green one, and a black one. We painted them with some dots, and then we had some sticky on eyes, or you can make some eyes just with white paper and some black paint.
That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed it. It was really lovely to see you. We're going to end with a song, but just before that, to remind you that you're going to need paper and card and any magazines that you've got lying around for recycling for next week. Look forward to seeing you then.
We've had a busy morning, so we're going to end with a little song, which we always finish with at Arty Tots. So I want you to go like this. Shh, let me hear your snoring. See the little bunny sleeping till it's nearly noon. Come, let's wake them with a merry tune. Oh, how still are they ill? Wake up soon. Hop, little bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Hop,